In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check balance Unifi SIM card. If you're using a Unifi Malaysia prepaid SIM card in 2025 and want to check your remaining balance quickly, you've got a couple of reliable options to choose from, either via a simple USSD code or using the official app. Both methods are fast, easy, and work well depending on your preference. You can check your Unifi prepaid balance instantly by dialing *100 number on your phone and pressing the call button. This brings up a USSD menu where you will typically select option 1 for check balance or option 2 for data balance, depending on what information you need, whether it's credit or data remaining. It's a swift and convenient command that works even without an internet connection. If you prefer a more visual app-based method, the Unifi mobile app, also known as Unifi Universe, is your go-to tool. Once downloaded and logged in, it allows you to manage your prepaid account with ease. You can view your credit or data balance, track usage, reload top-ups, and explore additional features. In short, dial *100 number if you need an immediate update without opening any apps. And if you'd rather interact with a clean interface and see more than just your balance, open up the Unifi mobile app to get real-time info and manage your account in one place. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.